Hello, and welcome back to HTML Camp. In this video, we'll be creating a fully functional email form with HTML and CSS only. After filling the form and clicking the Submit button, the form is sent to our inbox. If you want to know how to make a similar system, make sure you stay till the end. Also, consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video, it's really appreciated. Now, let's begin the video. I have already created an HTML and CSS script. I have also linked my CSS script and added a Bootstrap CDN. In the body tag, create a div with the class of hero. Create a form tag and leave the action blank. Now, create a div with the class of message icon. Create an I tag and give it a class of bi telegram to create the message icon. Create a span tag and type the text message in it. Create a div with the ID of input field, and in it create an I tag. Set the class to bi person to create the user icon. Now, create an input tag with a type of text, and give it a placeholder. Also, give it a name in order for the email system to work. Copy the input field and paste it below 2 more times. Change the icon, placeholder, and name of the input fields as I have done. Create a div and give it an ID of input field. Create an I tag and set the class to bi chat right dots to create a chat icon. Create a text area and set the name and placeholder to message. Also, set the rows to 10. Now, create an input and set the type and value to submit. Also, give it a class of sendBTN. Open the website with the live server extension. Now, let's add some styling to our website. With the universal selector, set the padding and margin on the website to 0. Set the box sizing to border box and the font family to Poppins. For the hero tag, set the width to 100%, the height to 100 VH, and the display to flex. Set align items to center and justify content to center. This will center our form in the website. Set the background color to #060C3F. Set the background color of the form tag to white, the width to 500 pixels, and the padding to 30 pixels. Also, set the font size to 18 pixels. Preview the changes made to the website. For the message icon tag, set the display to flex, align items to center, and margin bottom to 20 pixels. This will vertically center the message icon with the span tag text. Reference the I tag in the message icon, and set the font size to 40 pixels. For the span tag, set the font size to 22 pixels, font weight to bold, and margin left to 15 pixels. Style the input and text area fields in the form tag with a width of 100%. Set the top, left and right borders to none. Set the border bottom to 1 pixel solid and set the color to black. Also, set the outline to none. Reference the input field tags with the ID, and set the bottom padding to 20 pixels. Set the display to flex and align items to center. Preview the changes made to the website. For the tags in the input fields, set the font size to 22 pixels. Also, set the right margin to 15 pixels. For the send btn, set the width to 100 pixels, the border to none, and the background color to black. Set the color to white and the font size to 16 pixels. Give it a padding of 6 pixels to the top and bottom, and set the border radius to 50 pixels. Now, preview the changes. For the email system, I'll use this website called Formspree.io. Navigate to the plans page, and choose the free plan. Sign in or sign up if you don't have a Formspree account. I have already created an account, so I'll sign in with it. Now, we'll create a form by clicking the New Form button. Give your form a name and select a project. Finally, choose the account you want your emails to be sent to. After setting things up, click Create Form. Now, copy the link and paste it in the action of your form tag. Lastly, set the method to post. Now, try filling the form and hitting the Submit button. After this, I'll check my inbox to see whether the email was sent. And there it is, we have successfully created a fully functioning email system using only HTML and CSS. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video, I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.